Yeah. What's poppin', guys? Good morning. This is 4 a.m. I'm just waking up now just to look over the market so I could just get my mind prepared and know what to do in the market. So, yeah, let's start with the US 500. As you all know, I love trading indices and think it's one of my favorite pairs, then commodities as well. So, let's start with US 500. So, for the past few weeks, US 500 has been creating lower and lower high. Like just US 500 has been in a downtrend, but the overall movement of US 500 it's what an uptrend. So right now, US 500 is at, if you go to the daily time frame, US 500 price is at a level support that was created on the daily time frame. Like if you could see from here, exactly. So the US 500 price was driven all the way down to this point. Yeah. Um so what we're going to be looking at for right now is we're still bearish. But although like I said, the overall moment is bullish, but we're still bearish. So now, if even though the market is bullish, doesn't mean you need to be buying. Imagine you buying here and it's the market keeps tanking, you're buying, your market you're just gonna blow your account. So you need to know the the immediate trend of every market structure. So right now we are so bearish, but the overall movement is bullish. So on the forward step, we could see the structure. I mean, we could see the structure: lower low, lower high, lower low, and lower high. Lower low came here, created an equal high, broke this zone, giving a lower low, came back to retest the zone, and dropped to the major support on the daily time frame. So we will just So what we are looking out for? Well, I don't know, but let's just find out. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Let me see more structures clearly. Aha. As you could see here, right? Remember my yesterday video? I said that I'm not gonna do anything here. That the market is at this demand zone. I'm not gonna do anything. Demand zone on the 1 time frame. I'm not gonna do anything. I just want to see a bearish engulfing candle before I act upon it. Of course, bearish engulfing candle formed on the 1 hour time frame. On the 30 minutes time frame, that I didn't let me see. Yeah, I didn't really see anything, but on the 1 hour time frame, it just gave me a clear direction that the market is gonna turn. Another thing I knew was that I from here to here, good. I drew this minor resistance at this level. If you go to 30 minute time frame, it's clearly. If you go to 15 minutes time frame, the other is 60 minutes time frame. But look at this level here. Market came here rejected, and as the market broke this level, I knew that for sure we were about heading down. So this was the pullback that it made, and market crashed. The price crashed all the way to 5,700. So right now we're still. Let me take out some things. We're still bearish on the US 500. We're still bearish. We're still bearish. But one thing, one thing I need you to keep in mind is that since we're still bearish and today's NFP, I would be so careful trading today. Let me explain. Look at. Let me just start from here. There's a lower low and there's a lower high, and there's what a lower low. I I know spread is gonna get you, but this is where I might act upon because this is a structure level. So this is where I'm act upon. And like I said, I'm not the type that buy. I always buy from a rejection. So if I see a bearish engulfing candle of this level, of course I'm gonna jump right in. Of course, I'm gonna jump right in. If I go to the 30 minutes time frame, I think this structure is clear. Of course, so clear. So I'm still bearish. I'm still bearish on the S&P 500. So I just want to see how I want to see price drive all the way up to this level. I'm not gonna act like I said. I'm not gonna take my buy. I always want to like plan my trade. So I want to see it drove all the way to this level and tank. Maybe break this level, but I don't know. But I want to see tank. So let me keep this as let me just do this. Yeah, price come to this level and tank. Sorry about it. I'm not showing my mouse. Okay, let me better use this instead. So I want price to come to this level I think my stop loss will be here. But like I said, I'm not like I'm gonna act immediately as soon as I see price. I'll start selling. No, 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 I need a confirmation candle, just like what we saw in the 1 hour time frame here. So I got into this market yesterday. The market dropped all the way down and gave us a lower high and pull back up. So this is like a demand zone, which I would. You see how big these candles are, right? So I feel like there are liquidities here. So I feel like there is this would be an area of interest for me, right? So let me go over to US Tech. I think US Tech is gonna do the same thing. Yeah, pretty much like I actually predicted. Let me see this line. Let me see. See, I think everybody should just keep their mind on being bearish, man. Just keep your mind being bearish on the US 500. Just everybody should just keep your mind being bearish. For me, yeah, I don't see this zone here validated, but I'm just gonna leave that zone there because let me just let that zone still be there. I don't see it, but right now, all I'm saying, I'm still seeing a bearish move. So, yeah, they'll do the same thing. Yes, this is the area I want to act upon. Let me zoom this. So this is my area of interest. I want to act upon. Then voila, we dump all the way to the downside. So news already, I have seen that this is gonna be a sell. No, I wanna buy to this level. I wanna sell all the way to this level. Yeah, this is 1 hour time frame. So I'm gonna sell all the way to this level and my stop loss. I think my stop loss should be above here, and that's it. Alright, so let's move to the next one. This is the US 30. US 30, US 30. You know what? I don't really know about it. Well, okay, US is kind of showing me a different thing, but let's tackle this together, right? So it's pretty much easy, man. We're still in the downtrend. But US is creating a demand, a rejection of this level. But I'm just gonna still watch it off this level too. Still gonna watch it out this level to see how price is going to react at this level. So if price gives me a bearish engulfing candle, I'll act upon it ASAP. Like ASAP, my stop loss will be definitely above. Um, or if I don't see that, man, I'm not gonna do anything. I will just wait. I'll just wait and not act. Maybe till the news react. And today is Friday, so I'll be done for the week. Actually, I'll be so done for the week. So let's go to the next one. And we have the FR40. I'm not the FR40. Like, I'm not interested. Don't know what this market is doing. But if you want to know, but the market is at the major resistance level on the daily time frame. And if you could see, if you go to the forward time frame, now come on, man, this is too messy. So now, if you ask me that, if you're interested in trading this pair, you want to know what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna wait for two things to happen. I just want to say breakout, a retest of this level, and continuation. And now it has to be a very clean breakout. Like it has to be a very clean breakout. But sometimes market don't really come back. But I want to say a clean breakout and a retest, then a continuation. Right? Good. So or a breakout. Of course, there's gonna be some manipulation right there, and a continuation. So two things. That's what I'm watching out for. So FR14, I'm just not interested. Yeah, JP225, I'm not interested. Yesterday I was expecting. Yeah, let me show you what I was expecting JP225 yesterday. Okay. This one I love acting. I love acting. Based on what I see, not what I think. So yeah, I was expecting the market to come to this level. Let me just pin that out. To come to this level right here. And guess what? To like give me a bearish engulfing cut candlestick, right? At least I just want to say a strong bearish engulfing candle. But from the look of things, if I zoom in, man, if I zoom in, when I saw this candle part, I was like, nah, this is not even strong enough. I saw this and I saw this. This was not strong enough, and I saw this going push. I was like, nah. At that point, I was like, what is JP225 doing? Because this is not the kind of candlestick I'm looking for. This is the kind of candlestick I'm looking for. These are the kind of candlesticks I'm looking for. These are the kind of candlesticks I'm looking for. Bearish engulfing candle in the past. You see, these candlesticks always praying out due to the demand zone and the supply zone. But if you want to ask me for the trend, right, we are bearish. We are bearish, but the overall movement for GP225 is bullish. So we are bearish. So right now, I think I was wrong in this analysis trying to get a buy. The reason why I actually wanted to get a buy was that if you check very well, yeah, this seems like more like what do you call it, a demand level right here. But I think that analysis was so wrong. So I'm still gonna look for a sell because I'm still gonna look for a sell. I wish I actually my mind was right. I would have got into it. So yeah, though yeah, I saw this printout claim. I saw this printout claim. If I use my Fibonacci, I think there was just a level of let me see. Sorry about that. Yeah, that was the recent level. Okay, I don't know, but that didn't match with my zone. Okay, I think I see something. All right. Okay. Okay, so let me just delete this out. So basically this is more like a fake out, right? A strong fake out to the upside, and market it just faked out, the market's pulled back down, and we're just going back to retest this level, and market's just continue. So S&P 500 bearish. So let's just see how the market is going to react off this level. If this market is going to give us a bearish engulfing candle, because this was a pure manipulation as well. So market faked out, but people that were willing to like sell the market all way down, and guess what? The price drove back up. And same thing here, people that were like, okay, now the market is here. I think the market is about heading up, because the market just gave them a few pips, then crashed all the way. So this is the reason why I love higher time frame. You can see 4 hours clearly that this rejection shows that hell no, we are not ready to go that way. So this is one of the reason I use 4 hour time frame sometimes. I use 4 hour time frame, but one of the reasons I use 4 hours time frame is to know the direction of the market. So we are still bearish as far as I'm concerned on JP225. So let's go to the next one, and I'm just gonna hold on. So right now, the market is not doing anything. The market is not doing anything. So right now, I just want to see how it's gonna react of this area. This area is my area of concern. This curve is too big. Let me see how to reduce this. I don't like my thing so that I could like. Let me see. And yeah, okay, nice. Yep. All right. Okay. So I want to say a bullish engulfing candle form of right here, or better still, we continue pushing to the upside. But from the look of things, we might tank. And for the I also have concern of how this market has been moving lately. So we might tank to this level and maybe push it push it back up. Let me just mark out this level with my horizontal key level. Yeah. So we might push all the way down to this level. So now basically I'm gonna ask is that I wanna see breakouts, and trust me, they're gonna be a retest, a retest like this. Like then a bearish engulfing candle, then we continue to the downside. All right, so that's it. Let's move on to the next one. Day 500. Yeah, day 500. Good. I think this is a very nice opportunity. Yeah. So let me just fold my hands and watch and see how this market gonna. You see and see how this market is gonna react. You see what happened yesterday, right? There was a fake out and the market blind. This is like a clean break right now for me. So what I'm expecting right here is maybe something like this, and we continue to upside. So that's just it. So I'm just expecting a buy on the day 8:30. All right, this is pissing me off, like seriously, man. As of yesterday, right, I knew that the HK50 was gonna come all the way to this level. So by the time this move started happening, I think in my time zone, this was more like in the evening. I don't like placing trades in the evening because of the spreads and all of those things. But now this is what happened, right? The market came all the way. Now the reason why I actually choose, okay, actually this was my key level. Let me leave mine. The reason why I choose this level was because if you could watch, I like using my line chart to see structures clearly. So I felt like okay, the market was gonna come, but of course the market just give us a little pullback and pushes back up. That's been done. That's been done. So we move on to the next. Oil, nothing. Please. I don't know why I'm not just interested in trading oil, but guess what? I actually predicted oil when I saw this breakout. No, this market has been consolidating for months. Is not for, yeah, for like few weeks. I'm gonna call it months. A few weeks, a lot of weeks, like a few weeks. So, but this market broke. I was like, hey man, don't act upon it. Wait for this retest. So the market did what it did. It retested. I sent. Let me show you. Let me show you that I sent the signal. I'm not really recording this part, but I would have I showed you guys. But I would think I'll record it next time. But I sent the signal on my. I gave the idea on Trading View, and if you play the button, you see that I predicted the market was gonna come here, and the market dropped all the way down. So right now, I think there's a structure the market created. So right now, do what will make me act upon this market? That when I say breakout of the structure, or I say breakout, say a breakout below for continuation of the downtrend. So right now, I'm not just interested in something with the UK oil. Yeah, let me just draw that too. Something with the UK oil. So I'm going to say breakout, then a continuation. Yeah, I just have like 20 minutes to do this video, so we could go. Yeah, Ethereum. Aha. You see, Ethereum, I didn't take this trade. Why? It was because I saw the traders. Sorry, the traders all the way to the downside. This is crazy, man. So right now, I'm just gonna hold on and see what is gonna happen. Of course, I'm just gonna hold on and see what is gonna happen on this trade. Best believe you know what I'm looking out for: bearish engulfing candles, then some change of pattern. But right now, I'm not saying anything. Of course, this more like look like a bearish engulfing candle, but I don't really know why I am still stuck. In fact, I'm gonna take out this 30 minutes. I don't know why I'm so stuck in 30 minutes. I prefer 1 hour. I see charts clearly on 1 hour. I see how the market moves on the 1 hour time frame. But the reason why I use 30 minutes sometimes is because I want to know where to place my stop loss at some point, right? So I'm gonna leave 30 minutes there, but I'm just waiting for a 1 hour bearish engulfing candle. So the market might just be messy around here, and we can see how the market is gonna react. BTC USD, but hold on, but but for the Ethereum is bearish, man. There's nothing about want to tell you. Ethereum is bearish. Just sit on your hand, man, and just know this and know peace that Ethereum is bearish. Ethereum is bearish. So all you have to do is just to wait, wait, and see how this market is gonna react. And we are at the major level right here. See, test. So wait and see how the market is gonna react. Um, if you ask me, right, this is more like a recent pullback. So let's see if this market is gonna be in a range or to digest it. So let me quickly check the Euro USD. I'm not interested. JP USD. I'm like doing the same thing. You see how the chopping the market is. So now I'm expecting a pullback all the way to this level though. Expecting a pullback all the way to this level to JP USD. So I'm expecting a sell. I'm expecting a sell on this pair, but